Hello everyone, how are you today? I trust everyone is doing well. I want to encourage you to keep smiling and never stop smiling. Today I want to talk about hair loss. The reason why we lose our hair sometimes. Most of the time we'll be there and our hair will be breaking and you don't know the cause, what causes it. Sometimes braids gives a lot of pressure on the hair, especially on the hairlines. When you braid your hair a lot or you plait your hair a lot, it causes a lot of damage on your baby hair and also your hairline. And sometimes when the hair start to get damaged, if it damage right to the roots, and sometimes it doesn't grow back. It doesn't grow back. It depends on how intensive the damage is to the hair. But either way, we have to continue to look after our hair because we are responsible of taking care of our hair. You have to just try to do your best to get a healthy hair. And most of the time also, apart from the braid, sometimes stress also can lead to hair damage. And sometimes medication, strong medication also can lead to hair damage. And also health-wise, sometimes health-wise can also have effect on our hair also, and it can lead also to hair loss and damage to the hair. So it depends on the circumstances at a time. So either way, I always encourage everyone, either way, don't give up on your hair. Still look after your hair, because still whatever you have, if you spend time and quality time on your hair, it helps the hair to grow and be more healthy. And sometimes also lack of care on your hair can also lead to damage. And sometimes you find out that when your hair gets damaged to extent, to get it back to its natural strength and its natural look is very, very difficult, even though you try your best to treat it. So I always encourage people that use the right product. Using the right product help your hair to restore your hair to bring it back to its natural strength and its natural look, because that's what we are all looking for. So I would just encourage you to let you know that wherever you are with your hair, don't give up on it. Keep pressing on. And now we thank God for now. There's so many styles we can do. Wigs are there. You can put wigs on. And also when too much wigs, without we leaving our hair to breathe naturally, that also can cause us to lose our edges, like the baby hair and the edges. So everything we do, we have to balance it. So when you wear a wig, you are somebody who loves wigs a lot. When you're going out, you wear it. Make sure when you get home, take it off so that your hair can have fresh air to breathe naturally, because that also is very important and is very healthy for our hair. So take care of your hair and never stop taking care of your hair. My name is Charlotte and I'm from TressesExcel.com. So keep watching out for our videos. So today I'll leave you with this. Take care of your hair and you will look good. Bye for now.